Yep. Let's do an unboxing. Let's do an unboxing, right? What we got? Been waiting on this for a while. Woo! Here we go. First off, yeah, buddy. X-Men 205, first appearance of Hope Summers. Yeah, buddy. What's next? Hell yeah! Hack/1 is the first appearance of Cassandra Hack and Vlad. Finally got that at 9.8. Yeah, boy. First Silk. Yes. Thank you. This one. Can't get everything at 9.8, right? But it's my it was my last raw Teen Titans 12 that I got, I sent out. The other one I have it signed already, so it was too late for me to get it graded unless I send it to CBCS. But yep, first full appearance of Batman Who Laughs. Oh yeah, buddy. This one, Zero of the Villains, Hell Risen 3. First full appearance of Punchline. This is the first sprint. What do we got next? Yeah, another personal grail. My Doom Patrol 19. First appearance of Crazy Jane. Yay, yay. I can't get everything 9.8, right? At least it's all 9 point something and up. 9.4 and up. This is the first appearance of the new Ghost Rider, Roberto Robbie Reyes. The one that drives the Charger. Yes! Woo! Next up. That was so close! Edge of Spider-Verse. First appearance of the new Spider-Woman, which is Gwen Stacy. 9.6. Ooh, I think it's because of those 2 spine ticks, but hey, 9.6, I mean, come on. With 2 spine ticks, yeah, holla at me in 30 years. I'm just kidding. Another personal one. This is my Hack/, my first Maniac #1 variant cover B, 9.8. This is a Jenny Frison cover. Woo, I love it. Next is my Heroes 2008 International Special Edition by Team Sale. Yep. Love my Siler, of course. Alright. It's a 9.6. 2 more. Let's do the last one first. Whew. And this is the second printing, and I have it at 9.6. This is the Hack/ my first Maniac. The other one that I got, the first printing but variant cover, is this. So this is the first cover of that, and then they did a second printing of the variant, I believe, which is because this is the first printing of it is not like this. So this is the first printing at 9.8 variant cover, and this is the second printing for that variant at 9.6. And lastly, this one has been all over the place. I bought this in the Philippines. I went to the Philippines to get it, brought it here, sent it out to get pressed and cleaned, and then I sent it to get graded at last. War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas. This is the Virgin Edition cover by Mikosuyan cover. Yes, yes. Alright, that's it. But this from Comics Odyssey. Shout out to my boy from Comic Book Pressing, Eric. Thank you for helping me with my books. Appreciate it. Thanks. Peace.